Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Fact, fallacy, scam, hype, what it is, and I'm going to give you a free Section 609 letter that won't work. There are so many people out there saying that they have a top secret credit dispute letter that can get anything off your credit report. They say that it's Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Like people can't look that up. Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act is about disclosure to consumers. If you read through it carefully, there is nothing in here that is going to give you a top secret credit deletion. I'm going to show you exactly what a Section 609 letter consists of that I've received from another company and why you should avoid Section 609 credit repair disputes at all cost. Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act doesn't even talk about disputes. That's Section 611 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. So be careful about who you're listening to and what they're telling you when it comes to dispute letters and dispute letter templates. Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act is a very old, trendy scam. I have obtained a Section 609 dispute letter, and I would like to compare it to the actual Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. So here is the dispute letter, and I will give it to you for free because it's absolute garbage. It says Section 609 A1A. So what we'll do is let's go to Section 609 A1A, which is right here. Information on file, sources, report recipients. Every consumer reporting agency shall, upon request and subject to 610A1, clearly and accurately disclose to the consumer all information in the consumer's file at the time of the request, except if the consumer to whom the file relates requires that the first 5 digits of the Social Security number or similar identification number of the consumer not be included in the disclosure, and the consumer reporting agency has received appropriate proof of the identity of the requester, consumer reporting agency shall so truncate such number in such disclosure. All this is telling you is that you have a right to get a credit report from the credit bureaus. It's not telling you anything about removing information from your credit report, and it's not relevant to anything related to disputes. So I don't believe in Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act when it comes to dispute letters. I never personally use it, and I don't recommend that you use it either. If you want the Section 609 dispute letter, you can download it at the bottom of this video for free. Also, please follow us on Instagram at CreditCEO. And if you have any questions or concerns about your credit, don't hesitate to reach out. If you found this video to be helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a positive comment below. I read all of the comments and I love you guys. So keep up the great work, and I will see you on the next video.